Hello everyone, I'm back again today. I'm gonna be refreshening up this antique chair where I'm gonna just sand it and put silver on it, only on the frame, and the mesh part of it is still good and I don't want to paint that part, so that part is gonna stay the same. So I'm gonna sand, needs a light sanding, and then I'm gonna be refreshing it so it comes back to be used again. So I'm gonna start. And again, this was given to me because it had a wobbly arm, so what I did, I repaired it by using Gorilla's glue that you can find anywhere, to just glue it down, and it wasn't difficult to fix, so now it's really sturdy. So let me begin. Mixing my paint again like I usually do before I start a project, especially when you're painting furniture or anything that has wood in it, or anything that you paint. As a matter of fact, you must mix your paint very well, because some of the paint gets stick at the bottom and it has to be mixed. Okay, hello guys, this is the ending project of my antique chair that I painted silver, and so this is the end result of it. And it was a very short video because it's very simple to do. So I brought it inside the house and I put it in this corner space, and as you see, I merged it together with the frame that I did. And if you haven't seen that video, you can click on my channel and look for it. I have several ones on there. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. See you next time. Thank you for watching.